convert 0.427 into fraction. The two dots are on 2 and 7, so that means that 2 and 7 are the ones that are recurring. Now this is how we convert these to a fraction. We begin by letting the fraction, so let the fraction be represented by r. So r would be 0.4. Then 27 is recurring, so you have 27, 27, 27 to recur like that, 27, and so on. So call these equation 1. Now what you're going to do is that we're going to multiply this fraction r by multiples of 10 up until the decimal part, that is the decimal part, is uniform. We check any pairs of equation, like this is the first equation, so we're going to multiply like the next one by 10r. Then we see whether the decimal part will match with equation 1. If it doesn't, we go to the next, we multiply r by 100. Then we check whether there's any of the equation 1, 2, and 3, whether there's any of that matches. That means from the decimal point, where do we have all the values being uniform. So let us multiply by 10. So take r and multiply by 10. So multiply this one by 10. This is what you're going to get. You'll get 4.27. Remember, 27 is the one that is recurring. So 27 and so on. So that is equation 2. So when you look at the decimal part, this is a 0.42, this is 0.27. It is not uniform. So we have multiplied by 10, so we multiply by 100. So multiply r by 100. So this is what you're multiplying, r is here. So when you multiply this by 100, you get 42.7, then 27, 27, 27, 27. That is the third equation. Still, in the three of these equations, I don't see anything that is uniform. This is 0.42, 0.27, 0.72. So we go to the next, 1000r. So multiply r by 1000, and this will be 427. This will be 427.27, 27, 27, and so on. So that will be equation 4. When you look at this keenly now, you notice something. The decimal part, this one, and this one. Look at this part. This is the part that you're checking. So the decimal part, that is 0.27, 0.27, and this one is 0.27, 0.27. So from there, this is what you're going to do to get the fraction. You're going to subtract equation 2. This is equation 2 from equation 4. So this means that you're going to take 1000r. So 1000r minus 10r is equals to 427.27, then minus 4.27. Notice that the decimal part will get subtracted and you have 0, so you just deal with the whole numbers. So 427 subtract 4. I have ignored the decimal part since when you subtract, since the decimal part is uniform, this one will give 0. So just ignore the decimal part and take the whole numbers. 427 minus 4. So we move on. So this one will give 1000r minus 10r. You get 990r is equals to 427 subtract 4. You get 423. Remember, the fraction was r, so you're getting r. So to get r, divide both sides by 990. So 423 divided by 990. And when you simplify these, you'll get it to be 47 divided by 110, and that is the fraction.